How many accounts that you blew up, especially in Profom?
Yeah, before getting funded account, I was losing like almost like six account I think.
Tell me, in total, how much payout that you have generated till now?
In total, it's like almost like $73,000 I guess.
Okay, how long does it took you to be a profitable trader?
It took me around I think 5 to 6 months.
Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. 99% of traders lose money. Do your own research before making any trading decisions.
तो नमस्कार सभी ट्रेडर्स को एंड वेलकम। तो आज की इस वीडियो पर काफ़ी खास मेहमान है हमारे साथ, जो कि एक लेडीज़ है एंड शी इज़ फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक सिस्टर है हमारे साथ। तो काफ़ी अच्छा उन्होंने प्रॉफर्म पे पे आउट बनाए हैं एंड ट्रेडिंग काफ़ी सालों से कर रहे हैं। तो आज इससे जानने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे कि कैसा कैसा इसका जर्नी रहा एंड एवरीथिंग। सो फर्स्टली नॉरम, very much welcome in this channel, and I like to tell the audience that नौरम जी जो यहाँ पर आपका हिंदी इतना अच्छा से बोल नहीं पाता है, समझ सकता है, तो ज़्यादातर ये कन्वर्सेशन जो इंग्लिश पे ही रहने वाला है इस वीडियो पर। तो एनीवेज नौरम, can you tell me how did you got started into trading, कैसा आपका जर्नी रहा?
Okay. I started trading when my sister introduced me while I was working, looking for that I can work from home. So from after 12 class, I am looking for like a business that I can make money from home, not like a job or an employee, because I never want to be an employee. So I was just looking for that, my sister introduced me, and yeah, that's how I started my trading journey.
Okay, you have a family member who is doing the trading, currently भी क्या आपका sister trading करता है?
Yeah, my sister also, she used to trade, but recently she have baby. She give birth. She get birth baby. Okay, so she stopped for now. Currently, she's not trading. Only me. Only me.
Okay,
I'm trading for my family. There's nobody.
perfect. Okay, so how is it going on right now? Do you like it trading? Is it are you solely into this for the money, or there is something different, background यहाँ पर है?
Yeah, actually, it's not. Yeah, it's also for money, and again, it's for independent also, like freedom, not only the financial, but location and then time freedom also. We used to get money from job, or let's say from working like an employee, but the time freedom we don't get it from employee or job, so or location freedom. So because of that, I was looking for, I want to be an independent lady, independent woman. So I was looking for independent that I can work, like even if I work also, even if I do business also, if I can get independent, then it's okay, I want to go for it. So yeah, that's how I came to trading.
Okay, so can you tell me what kind of trader you are actually right now? Are you doing scalping or swing trading or something?
Actually, I'm an intraday trader. I was once a scalper, but now I'm an intraday trader because swing trading, it's not sweet with me. It's not matching with my trading style. And I was trading as a scalper also, scalping, but it really affects my psychology. Like taking multiple trades in one day, like 20, 30 trades, and after losing one trade, I'll be taking another trade again. So it's really affecting my psychology. So I just started trying to trade intraday as an intraday, and then I started trading intraday, but I cannot stop scalping at first. It really takes lots of time, but I train, like I give more time to become an intraday trader. And now I'm trading as an intraday, and I'm taking only one or two trades in one day. And it's really giving me peace. Yeah.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay, like what are you doing right now? Like, are you trading on a prop firm? Are you trading on a like broker personal account that you have, or like what are you? How are you trading right now?
Yes, mostly I trade in Profirm, but sometimes I trade in broker also.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be taking payout from Profirm and I'll be depositing in my broker account, in personal account. Then while waiting for my payout, I used to take like a small lot size in broker account, and I used to trade broker sometimes, but mostly in Profirm I trade.
Okay, how did you got introduced into the prop firm trading?
Sorry.
How did you got introduced into the prop firm trading?
Profirm, actually I was trading India market, India option market like Bank Nifty, but I started listening like hearing about the Profirm from other traders also, and then I started like seeing Profirm about Profirm like ads and all in YouTube channel. So yeah, that's how I started trading Profirm.
Okay, like what was your first prop firm that you have traded?
It was my Forex fund.
Okay, my forex fund. Like, did you
Yeah.
got any payout from that prop firm?
Yeah, it was not very big amount, but small payout I was getting, and after that, when I tried to get a big payout, it just went like it just shut down.
It got shut
The
down,
profile,
right?
yeah.
Like, are you following up with them? Like, are they going to come back or something?
Yes, I'm hoping. I'm still waiting for them. I will see because they were once top pro firm,
Mm-hmm.
and I think they will still continue as transparency. So yeah, I'm still waiting for them. I will see. I don't know if exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So like, how many accounts that you blew up? You know, like especially in Profum, uh, before getting a funded account or like getting a payout, how many accounts that you blew up? Like approximately, if you can say.
Before, yeah, before getting funded account, I was losing like almost like six account I think, like a small account like 5K 10K account, but before getting a payout, it was like yeah almost like nine to 10 account.
Okay, 9 to 10 accounts that you blew up. Okay, before getting an account. Now, like you
Yes.
said, like you are not doing anything, right? Obviously, that much account that if you have blew up, like that must have been really down phase for you, right? काफी like obviously like the एक तो बहुत ही budget होता है तो
Yes.
आप कैसा उसको handle किया? Like did you ever felt that like trading is not for you?
Yes, I I was feeling in that way when I was losing lots of account. But again, there's one time that I not actually dreamt, but one day after losing lots of account, one day I tried to sleep in like noon time. Okay, not in midnight, but not night time, but in noon time. But I was like I cannot sleep or I cannot take rest anymore. And I see like lots of traders who's getting payout like each and every day or
Okay.
getting funded. So I was like how to say very stressful, and I was thinking why it feels like this, why it's so like why it's happening to me like that, no? And why they're how they are getting payout and why I cannot do this. I also think like that. But again, I try to always support. I mean motivate. I try to motivate myself. I don't need anybody's support. I mean because there is nobody is going to support me, right? So I understand that one, and I try to support myself. I try to encourage myself, and I think that at the time, um, what is that? I think that maybe my calling is higher,
Mhm.
so that's why I cannot raise. I cannot take risk. I just supporting myself, and yeah, even though I got feel on in that way, still I always keep in my mind that trading is all about experience. And if we have the experience, then one day for sure, I'm going to figure it out. Like I'm going to master the market. Not actually master, but I will be able to do it one day. So that's how I keep going. I felt on that way like I won't be able to do this, but again, I never give up. I keep on trading, I keep on doing, I keep on practicing each and every day. And then Like each and every day, I always gain knowledge and experience. That's how I learning, and giving up. It's not my like option and what at all.
Not
Actually,
the cup of my tea, no? Something.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So like I would like to know like what was your first payout? Like how much amount it was?
It was around 86 $86, I think.
$86. Okay,
Yeah.
if even though it was छोटा होने से भी like काफी बड़ा achievement feel
Yes,
करता है
yes.
like after a long time if you're getting that. So like how did you spend that? Like did you spend it like did you treat yourself or like did you reinvest it?
Yeah, I treat myself. I treat my family. Like family means we have a party with that money, like a family party. Like we are having a good dinner, a nice dinner,
Uh-huh.
like that. And yeah, at first I spend my payout with my family, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, so like what was the biggest payout that you have taken till now?
My biggest bill is like around $6,300. I think.
$6,300. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell me like in total like how much payout that you have generated till now?
In total, it's like almost like $73,000, I guess. 70, around 73, 75, 75, like that.
Okay, 73 or 73 4,000,
Yes,
73 to 75 for
yes,
$5,000, right? Okay, that must be around like 70 lakhs something, right? Okay,
yes.
so like can you tell me like how much loss that you have suffered to make this payout?
Uh,
Cost कितना लग गया?
I've suffered like losing around 5 to maybe within $10,000, I guess.
Okay, within $10,000 you have
Maybe more
invested.
than that also, but around 10 to, yeah, some 10 to 15.
Okay,
10 to 15.
let's make it round figure like 10,000 आपने invest किया and आपको approximately return मिला 70,000 approximately पकड़ता हूँ तो like 1:7 जैसे का आपको risk to reward जैसे मिला जैसे है तो anyways like it's a very nice thing like so I'm just very much interested in like how do you do the trading which will come in this video like थोड़ा later part of the video पे हम लोग बताएंगे इसका strategy कैसा है जानने के लिए हम लोग कोशिश करेगा तो सबसे पहले currently like how much capital that you are managing?
Currently, I'm managing like a 3x 100K account in Funding Tips.
Okay, you are managing $300,000 in funding pips. So
Yeah.
like funding pips since how long you are trading?
It's been more than 2 years. Funding Tips started their program like 2023, and I just started using like since 2023, but it was like almost last month of the year. And I cannot take payout at first time, but I started taking payout since 2024, I guess.
Okay, since 2024. Okay, so like you are not trading, diversifying your risks on other platforms.
I used to trade before, like Funda Pro, instant funding, and all. And like after getting funded, they used to just give some reason to deny payout or to deny my funded account. So I just want to focus in one, which is transparency pro firm, which is top pro firm. So when I check, like I found like Funded Next and Funding Tips. So I use both of them. Last time I used Funded Next. I use only Funding Tips because I found like I find Funding Tips is more transparency. Even the CEO, they are very good. Their support team, he's very close to every like most of the traders. So I just use only Funding Tips right now.
Okay, okay. So can you tell me like how are you doing the trading on this? Obviously, you said like you are getting the payout, and you are also making the personal account in the broker. Like which broker you are using?
I use like Vantage also, and
Uh huh.
then Pew Prime. I have XM account, but I don't use it. And before I use Exness, but I don't use Exness anymore. So right now I'm using Vantage mostly.
Okay. Okay, you're using Vantage, right? Okay. So like you are doing the copy trading on both the accounts, or like you have complete different strategy for the personal account and the Profum account?
No, they are not allowed to do copy trading, so I simply just do like manual trade. And before, I have mentioned not that while waiting for payout, I used to enter in broker account
Mm-hmm.
sometimes. So it's not like I don't copy, but I just trade manually, different, like separately.
Okay, separately you do the trading.
And the strategy is same, still same only.
Strategy is same only, right?
Yeah.
From where did you got that strategy?
Sorry.
From where did you got that strategy, or you made it yourself?
Oh, yeah, I create it myself.
You created yourself. Okay, you must have definitely
Yes.
back tested it, forward tested it, right? So like,
Yeah.
can you tell me like how important it is to for a beginner to like approach the prop firm trading? Like how important is this strategy? Many like traders are there without a strategy, they get in and they lose money. Like how important do you feel?
Yeah, for me, I think it's very, very important because without having one and like one trading aids, we cannot become a profitable trader. And not only that, if we want to take consistent payout, then we need a strategy which is working consistently. Not mostly, but maybe like 30%, 40%, 50% win rate. We need strategy. We cannot simply trade with psychology also. We cannot simply trade with risk management alone also. But I think strategy is really, really important. Mostly, I rely on strategy also, and risk management also, and then psychology also. So all of them are very important. And without strategy, I don't think that we will be able to take payout or profits.
Okay, like did you had any mentor? Like I know like you had your sister like who used to do the trading, but like obviously like the your sister is doing the trading only in the Indian market, right? You are doing on the
Yes.
prop firm and forex is different world obviously. So
Yeah.
like how did you come to learn about like the differences and like like different market obviously.
Actually, I was trading when I started. I was trading India market, which is option trading, like Bank Nifty, and I was joining one course for the first time of my life, like
Mm-hmm.
trading journey. I was joining one course, and I have learned like support resistance, candlestick, and the pattern, like and then some indicators. So from that I started learning some basic things and all. After that, after even learning like 2 3 months, I still cannot figure out, like I don't know, like I didn't know how to what to start at all, and
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to draw and everything, like from zero. Actually it's from zero, and whatever we are using, all the words about like trading words, I've never learned, or I've never here in my high school also. Actually, but so it's very difficult for me, and it's very hard to learn, like to master the candlestick, even the candlestick only. Okay, so uh, even though I didn't know how to look at the chart or how to read the candlestick, I keep on watching each and every day. And then whatever I'm learning from that course, I keep on applying each and every day. The candlestick example, let's say hammer or engulfing, I started looking, and then I started like educating the trades. And after I started educating the trades, I like become a fast learner, and then I was doing India market till 2022 last month, and I decided to switch to forex. And since 2023, from 2023, I started trading forex, and I started trading with pro firm, not with broker. I was like thinking that if I have to start forex trading again, I need to learn. I need to join another course again. But actually, we don't have any money. Even when I joined that first course, like my sister and all my brothers, they don't have money actually. So we didn't give the money first time. We give the money only after I learned the course, after I finish the course. So, if I want to start forex trading again, then I need to learn another course again. I need to join. But as I don't have money, I was just looking in YouTube video also, like trying to find some help from video also from YouTube channel. But when I start looking in the charts, in forex charts like Euro USD or XAU USD, I came to realize that the candlestick or the chart is the same thing only. It is the same pattern only. So I was trading in India market. In India market, I have already learned all the basic things and all. And then I realized that okay, all this candlestick pattern, all these like candlestick chart are same only. So there's no different pattern or different candlestick for forex market. And then I started learning each and every day. I started applying my strategy in forex market also like gold and then Euro USD. Yeah, that's how I started forex trading. I didn't join any course for forex trading. Yeah, I just learned by myself.
Okay, like how long does it took you to be a profitable trader?
It took me around, I think, 5 to 6 months because I was already a little bit profitable in India market already. Like I used to make profits in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So after that, when I switched to like forex, I I think that my strategy still can apply to forex trading. So I keep on trading pro firm. At first, I lose some account. I apply my strategy, and it still work in forex market also. So it took me like around 5 to 6 months, and I figure out how to trade pro farm and all everything.
Okay, that's very nice. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so like now let me ask you one or two like fundamental questions like that like most of the Indian traders have. That is, like how do you take the payout? Because prop firm is obviously like it's not very like legal or illegal in India.
Yes.
So like how do you take the payout?
I do take my payout, or mostly, not always, but mostly in through crypto. I'm using Trust Wallet.
Okay.
I take through crypto.
So like where do you sell that crypto?
I have students community also, and I have like Telegram channel also, which is many people are joining. And in Manipur, it is very hard to find dollar, and most of the people they really need dollar. And if they want to buy from P2P, like in from Binance, that it's very risky because there are some people who used to got scam also. So they need trusted people, right? So they don't want to buy from P2P at all. And they used to ask me, and I used to sell to them, to my community also. And whoever asked me, I used to sell like that.
So like did you ever felt like file the ITR like income tax?
Yes, I have already did the one. I have like my, how to say, I have one brother. He's like CA. He is CA, and he used to take care of my tax and all like ITR. And I used to talk with him whenever it comes to filing the tax. And yeah, that's how I used to do it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so like what do you feel like do you feel safe about trading the prop firm and all? Like like don't you feel like आपको टेंशन नहीं लगता है कि मतलब लीगल है इलीगल है ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा कल को क्या हो जाएगा तो ऐसा टाइप का क्योंकि लाइक पीपल थिंक अननेसेसरी थिंग्स ना लाइक सोचता है ना तो सोच के लाइक क्या क्या क्वेश्चन करता रहता है.
Yes. Yeah, we feel like illegal, but still, pro farm, I think it's legal to trade. I mean, not actually legal, but we are not trading the forex from our broker, which is government are not allowed. But still, the pro farm is not like a real like forex market that we are trading, but they are providing us the account, and we are just like trading. We are just handling the account. So I think. Uh, that is not much like illegal, but and I cannot say that is legal also. But I think it's fine to trade with profile.
Okay, okay. Okay, so let's get into your strategy. We want to learn about your strategy. How do you do the trading?
Okay.
Like, can you please show the screen and show us the chart? Like,
Okay. Actually, my strategy is really based on support and resistance, which like demand zone, supply zone, and not only support and resistance, but I have some others confirmation also, like secret confirmation for myself. And
mhm.
then mostly I trade in psychology, as per psychology, but not always based on the structure also. So mostly I trade support and resistance, and I'm an Asian trader, not a New York session trader. So I used to trade Asian session. Okay, so
Okay,
you can
you
see,
trade Asian session,
yeah,
and it's based on support and resistance, right?
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So mostly I will be trading like within around 7 to 9 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, so 7 to 9 a.m. So there's
7
always
to
a good,
9 a.m. That's very early morning, right? 7
yeah,
a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yeah, and there's always a good opportunity. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I will always try to find the previous support or resistance, maybe in higher time frame. I used to do analysis in higher time frame, like daily candle, 4 hour or 1 hour, and
Mm-hmm.
then I will switch to lower time frame to make an entry like 5 minutes, and
Mm-hmm.
then the thing is I will be looking for a trend, for that trend, whether it started with a bullish or a bearish structure, or I will be looking for a previous trend also. And if the previous trend is like resistance, downtrend, then I'll be looking for a resistance in lower time. So actually, it's very simple. My strategy is very simple, but when it comes to psychology, it is very hard to master the strategy. So yeah, let's see. In higher time frame,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be marking all the support and resistance. So yeah, around this was the where is that today? Okay,
Okay.
around
Okay. I got your point. Like, let me just tell you, like, once again, tell you that, like, what I have understood. Okay.
ah,
You do the analysis, trend analysis on
yeah,
like higher time frame. Either it
yes,
be on
yes,
4 hour or daily time frame.
yeah,
And for entry, you go on a 5 minute chart or maybe lower time frame. And
yes,
what you do is, like, in case if the trend is down, then you
yeah,
look for the resistance, and in case
yes,
if the trend is uptrend, then you look for the support, obviously, right?
yes, mhm,
Okay, that's where you take the entry.
yes, yes.
Okay, like, Naorem, like, can I request you one thing out here? Like, can you show us one entry that you have
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
taken,
yeah, yeah. I have
so that we can
entry here.
understand better?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Here, I will show you some of my entry here that I have taken
Okay.
like this. When the trend started coming down around here, you can see the
Mm-hmm.
trend was bearish. So the next day it was starting as a bearish downtrend. Okay, bearish downtrend. So around this level, this is the starting level, and when
Mm-hmm.
it started coming down, I simply don't take the trade. I simply don't enter the trade, but I will be waiting for like a pullback, which is going to like make a resistance, a new resistance. Okay, like this.
Okay.
And after that only I will execute my trade. I will enter the trade. So here you can see, I simply don't enter the trade around this level when the trend started. But I wait for a pullback, and then when it started making a resistance here, I
Mm-hmm.
enter the trade. Okay, so these are my trades which I have taken in funding pips last month,
Mm-hmm.
and I have taken payout also. And here again you can see this is another trade. But actually this one I don't trade, but I was just checking my strategy. So you can see here there is a support level.
Mm-hmm.
So I simply don't take a trade when the price touches the support level, but I wait for a pullback. I wait for a
Okay.
pullback here. So after giving a pullback, when the trend started, I look for an entry here. Actually, I don't take trade this one, but just for testing my strategy. I was testing this one, and then yeah, you can see this one. All these my trades I have posted in Telegram channel also. It's an everyday, and
Okay.
actually there's opportunity. It's an everyday, mainly in gold. So I mostly trade only gold, and yeah, this one also I was taking a sell trade last. This is let me check once. This is yeah 3rd of June. 3rd of June this month. Okay, I passed one of my 100K account in this trade. You
On
can
this
see.
single trade.
Yes, yes, on this single trade, and this is like 1:5, more than one
Hmm.
is to five. And actually, mostly, I used to target 1:3 RR,
Hmm.
and I was losing like some trades, like few trades. I used to trade Funding Peace Pro account, and they have only 6% maximum drawdown, not
Okay.
even 10%, like two-step standard. But my account model is two-step pro, so they offer only like 6% drawdown, okay, in maximum. So I used to take risks around 2% on my challenge account, and I was taking risks 2%. I was losing two trades consecutively, okay, two trades. And on the third trade, I've told you, no, like I used to target 1:3. So the next day, if I target, I will be targeting like 1:4 RR. And if I
Hmm.
lose this trade again, the next one I will be targeting 1:5 RR. And mostly it is working as per my strategy. I mean, we can get 1:4, 5 in gold easily if it is really the volatility is really high. So I was targeting 1:5 on that day, 3rd of June. I was losing two trades last before this trade, so I was targeting 1:5, and I passed the account in a single trade. And yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, this one.
Let me just stop you here. Um,
Uh-huh.
how do you set up the stop loss and take profit level?
Stop loss and the take profit level.
Like, how do you
I used
decide where should I keep?
Actually, I used to check previous level also, like where is the previous support level, around
Hmm.
this level or this level or
Hmm.
this level, like wherever the support is, that I
Okay.
feel that price can come up to this level. So actually, this target I was looking for here also, up to here only, but I need to pass the account, so I was keeping my TP little bit higher. I
Okay.
mean, I keep my TP below the support level, because if the price can hit my TP level, then I'm going to pass the account. So because of that also, I was keeping my target a little bit higher. Even though the support is upper, I keep my TP under the support level. And my stop
Hmm.
loss is sometimes, oh, it's fixed. Like mostly I used to take 60 pips, like
Okay.
50 to 60 pips. Yeah.
50 to 60 pips. You like you keep the support level. I mean, like stop loss based on the obviously like pips, right?
Yeah,
Like
so
not
based
based on
on,
the market structure.
yes, yes, based on this market structure.
Okay. Okay. Like you can just come out of the screen and let's.
Okay.
I have few more questions. Okay, so like you said that you have shown this strategy, and you said that you are taking a 2% risks like on each trade. That is obviously like very aggressive. I feel like,
Yeah.
and like obviously you must also be feeling. So like I have seen that, like, and it's quite normal, like in prop firm trading, like to be very
Yes.
aggressive while doing the challenge, taking the challenge. So like how do you minimize the risks on like when you get the funded account? What is your percent risks in the funded account?
In further account, it really depends on their rules, in proform rules. If they give me to take risks of like 2%, then I will be taking like 1.5 sorry, yeah, 1.5%.
Hmm.
And if they are not allowed to take more than 1%, then I will be within 1%. So really, if funding is allowed to take up to 2%, sometimes I used to take 1.5% also,
Hmm.
sometimes 1.7% also. And for the next, they don't allow taking risks more than 1%, so I don't keep my risks more than 1%. So
Okay, so
yeah,
like what
this
is your losing streak
losing streak.
of the strategy that you have shown just now?
My losing streak, it's like two, three trades, mostly two trades, and whenever it comes to three trades, it used to like make profit, it used to give profit. So mostly 2 to 3 trades losing streak.
Okay, how do you deal with the losing streak? Like, what if like obviously, like you are saying that like two trades, you lost two trades. Now, like, are you fully confident that like you're going to win the trade, or like you get like self doubt? Like, what if this also like becomes a loss? So, like, how do you deal with that?
Uh, Even though there's a losing streak, I always trust my setup, my strategy, and in like each and every day in Asian session, it always gives a good opportunity. Maybe the trend is going in one side, so even and my R also is sometimes it's very high, like 1:3, 1:4. And
Mm-hmm.
I don't really focus on win rate, but I really focus on risk to reward ratio also, but not more every time, but sometimes. So even if I lose also, I used to have like uh, feelings that once if my trade is going in my side, then I can always recover. And it used to happen to me like when I was trading in Vantage account in April, yeah, April month, last April month, I was taking like $18,000 payout from single 100K account. So there I was losing some like trade also, like 1 or 2 trades. But still, as my risk to reward ratio was little bit high, it
Mm-hmm.
always can like recover and make profits. Yeah. So mostly I focus on risk to reward ratio.
Okay, mostly you focus on risk to reward ratio, right? So, like,
Yeah.
what do you think? Like, because like I have seen like people taking um, people suggesting, obviously everybody have their own opinion, people suggesting that like you should like minimize the risk to reward as a beginner, because so that you can have the higher win ratio, and that will bring you better confidence. So, like, what do you feel about this suggestion? Like,
Yeah, actually, it's really good, and I always like. I also follow that one. Before I used to do like 1:1 R. My
mhm,
win rate. I used to focus in 1 hour, 1 to 1 hour. But the thing is, when I came to know that I can take like 1:2, 1:3 RR mostly in like gold because it's very volatility. So if once I realized that I can take like higher RR in gold, I started just focusing on higher R. And yeah, I understand that people are suggesting, but again, sometimes I feel like I want to prove that even risk reward, like higher risk reward ratio, also is still working. I also want to prove sometimes because most of my students, it's an everyday they are like taking 1:3 are minimum, not
mhm.
like 1:2 or 1:1 because goal really gives this opportunity. And how I can get this opportunity, sorry, the higher risk reward ratio is really because of the essence session also. Once when I enter the trade in essence session, I can join the whole train also, whole day. If it is going like trending, then I can capture like higher RR. So in that mindset, I used to focus in like mostly in higher R. Yes, I understand that people are saying focusing on win rate, a small RR is better. I accept that one. And if I trade in futures for fun, then I always do 1:1.
Mhm.
Not I don't chase a higher risk to reward ratio. So it depends on my like trading style. If I trade in gold or in forex, then actually it's not like I'm chasing my like I'm chasing higher risk reward ratio. The thing is, market is like gold is giving me 1:3 mostly. So that's why I'm taking it. That's the reason.
Okay, if God is giving you 1:3, then why to take 1:1, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
Actually, my strategy
Okay.
is really giving like that. Yes, if we talk about win rate, maybe it is going to be small,
Mhm.
lower for sure, but still, uh, it is really like giving 1:3 like easily. But I wouldn't say it is easy, but I've I've
Okay, okay,
mentioned
okay.
no.
Why gold? Why gold? Why only that pair?
Goal is best. Goal is the best always. And I used to trade Euro USD, GBP USD, but when I compare and as intraday trader, I don't like others currency pair. Mostly they are very slow. There's no volatility also. But in gold, it used to move like both sides in one day also. It can move up also. It can move down also, and it can give higher pips or higher risk reward ratio also. And then if I want to pass my account or getting like consistent payout, then I think I better to trade in gold. Yeah, for beginners it is risky. When I was a beginner, I didn't start with gold. I was trading with Euro USD, and I was looking at the YouTube, and people used to recommend like if you are a beginner, then trade Euro USD or GBP USD, but not gold. But I wanna break this like this mindset or this set. The thing is, I was thinking like even though I'm a beginner, if I don't start trading the volatility things, then how I'm going to experience? So that's my mindset, and that's how I started trading gold. And then if I'm a swing trader, then it is good, like trading Euro USD and all. But I want to make money, or I want to have the experience. I want to earn experience each and every day. That's why I just focus in goal. And yeah, mostly if you want to get payout or like consistent payout or pass the account, then I think goal is much better. And we have learned lots of experience, lots of things from gold mainly. We cannot learn from slow market, slow movement, but we used to learn lots of things. And yeah, we used to learn lots of things, which is very volatility in gold mainly. Yeah, that's why I chose gold.
Okay, it's volatile, it's fast. Obviously,
Yeah,
fast means you are also going to get the fast payout, and obviously,
yeah,
fast blew up, fast account
yes,
blow up. Everything
yeah,
happens fast.
exactly.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. So
yes.
like, last but not the least, like I think like we can wrap up this meeting, and like I would just like to ask you, like, do you have any suggestions that you would like to give to the like beginner traders?
I would like to give like focus on yourself, not others. Yes, you can watch other people, like other successful people, but if you focus on yourself, then you will grow. But if you focus on others, then people will grow. Others will grow. So what I mean is try to have experience by yourself by looking at the chart or by spending time with the chart, but not watching the video. Like yes, videos are helpful, but the thing is when I was a beginner, there's no video that I didn't watch, or I watch all the videos, all the like forex trading or India market trading. And after watching all the videos whole day, when I try to trade, when I try to take trades, when I was sitting in front of the chart, I really didn't know where to enter, where to exit. So that's the problem. And what I want to say is spend more time with market and try to get experience each and every day from market. We are gonna do trading with market, not with others' opinion or whatever. Yes, taking advice is good, but the thing is, please try to get experience by yourself. Most people they always try to join like multiple courses, and I have really like learned these things without joining like the forex course that I have mentioned. I didn't learn about forex trading, but I have learned through watching the charts only, through entering trades. But most people they will be joining like somebody course or other course, and they will be looking for a like how to say a holy grail strategy or whatever. But the thing is they don't know that they have to master the chart, they have to master the like structure or the market movement. So if they want to master the market movement, or master means not exactly master, we cannot master, I know, but what I mean is try to have experience, your own experience. I may give lots of experience, like I may tell you the story, or I may narrate you the story of my life experience, but you are not going to learn. You can learn, but the thing is, you will not feel what I feel, the reality. So we need to live in reality. Most people, they are living in others' life, or like, how to say, they forgot to live in their own life. So I always say to my students community also that try to have your own experience. Don't wait for my signal, or don't try to depend on me, but watch the market each and every day. Spend the time with the charts each and every day. That's how you can learn. That's how you can grow. Yeah, that's it that I want to say.
Okay. Experience matter rather than the information that you have in your mind.
Yeah.
Obviously, like until and unless that you put on practical,
Yes.
like there's no point, right?
Yes, yes. Actually, my life journey or my trading journey is full of experience only. Full of experience only. I learn from my losses or my profits. I learn from my ups and downs. So I have lots of, like, not lots, but I have experience that how the market movement or whatever. And each and every day there's going to be an experience, and we need to learn it, not focusing on others. So yeah, theories are very easy to learn. Theory are very easy to speak when we speak out, but when it comes to practical, nobody can do it, and it's not really easy. So we need to focus more. We need to spend more time in experience, like, or practical, executing the trades, not only watching the chart or not only watching the videos or not only reading the books, but mostly I think it is very important to execute the trades, not only in demo account but in real account also. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Naram. Like, thank you very much for your time. We can wrap up with this meeting,
Yeah.
and like, do you have any Telegram channel or something like that you were saying right now?
Yes, I have Telegram channel.
Okay, like we will put that in the description, like, in case if somebody wants to follow up with you, like they will
Yes.
follow up in that. Okay, thank you very much, Naram. Thank you very much for joining
Yeah.
in.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me.